G'day guys, welcome to Cap Industries. This is the installation procedure video for a Cap Industries fire extinguisher mount into a Toyota Aristo, but also a Lexus GS300. The procedure is so easy. You just take the two front seat bolts out, place the bracket in, bolt your extinguisher on, and put the factory seat bolts back in. Super easy, let's go do it. First thing you need to do, just remove those two plastic seat bolt covers. You just flick them off with your fingers, or you may need a little flathead screwdriver, just like that. There we go. The tools required is just a 14mm socket and ratchet, and two 8mm spanners for the M5 nuts and bolts that come with the bracket. So then just get your 14mm socket and ratchet and remove the two front seat bolts. At that stage, I like to install the extinguisher onto the bracket first so that you can get the nuts and bolts on without it being too tight to the seat. Then just tighten them up with those two 8mm spanners and place the extinguisher bracket just into the spot and put the factory bolts back in. And always do them up by hand first, because seat bolts can be cross-threaded quite easily, so always do them up by hand. Then tighten them down with your tools, and you may need a little extension piece as well. Once they're all tightened up, you can then place your little plastic seat covers back on. There we go, just like that. So there you go. As you can see, that factory look is retained, and then just slip the extinguisher into its cage. Take you 2 minutes to install this bracket. It looks fantastic. Now, just something to note is that you will lose a little bit of forward seat movement. However, as you can see, you do still get a little bit. And for the 99.9% of people, that's about the position that you really want your seat anyway. So it won't really affect the day-to-day living of the vehicle. You won't mind it. It'll look great. And what a great way to install your fire extinguisher. Thank you so much for watching our little video. Now, just a couple of things that we wanted to let you know is that these brackets are all made to Motorsport Australia standards. So they are all compliant for any racing, and that's for us across the world, in fact. The other thing as well is that just having a fire extinguisher in your vehicle is just a really good, safe thing. You can reach it from the driver or passenger seat. They're just a really smart thing to have in case of an emergency. The next thing to note is that if you don't have one of these vehicles, well, we make them for so many cars. So please just jump on our website at www.cap.industries and search for your vehicle today. Thank you so much.